Starting a business is a big decision, and for most people, they don't know where to start. The value of planning and research should not be underestimated. You may have heard the saying, those who fail to plan to fail. Well, that is extremely true in the business environment. This short video is aimed at those of you new to business who are looking for some guidance on how to get started. The short answer is no. A good business plan is a document that states your goals and how you plan to reach them. It can be a useful tool in holding yourself accountable in reaching those goals. Before you jump into business, and even before starting your business plan, one thing you need to be sure about is what it is that you're selling. Whether it's a product or a service, make sure it's something people want to buy and not something you simply want to sell. Whilst there's no set formula, a good business plan might include the following. Background information about your business. This might include who you are, what you sell, where you're located. A marketing plan. This could include your pricing, demand for your product, how you plan to distribute, advertising, and any promotions that you may run. An operational plan. This can include how you produce your goods and services, any staffing needs you may have, training requirements, and any specialised plant and equipment that may be required. Last but not least, a financial plan, and this can include your current financing, your future funding needs, forecasts, balance sheets, profit and loss, cash flow estimates, and risk analysis. This is not an easy question to answer. There are a variety of business structures, including sole traders, partnerships, companies and trusts. The decision on what structure is best for you requires an understanding of a number of things, including legal liability, asset protection, financing the business, succession planning, and importantly, taxation. The right trading structure for you might be different for other people. You should never fall into the trap of establishing a structure based on what family and friends may have done. Some trading structures are difficult and costly to unwind, so it's important you seek appropriate advice before commencing your trading structure. Business benchmarks are a useful tool in assessing the performance of your business. There are various sources of business benchmarks, including the Australian Taxation Office and a number of private organisations that offer their services on a subscription basis. Business benchmarks can assist with understanding the financial requirements and operational requirements for establishing a business. These business benchmarks are also useful in assessing the performance of your business against your peers or your competitors. Just because you're making a profit doesn't necessarily mean your business is running efficiently and effectively. Statistics and ratios are useful tools for assessing the performance of a business. You should avoid being seduced by what we call the top line and the bottom line, or in other words, your sales revenue and your net profit. You should also consider other key business drivers such as the following: conversion rates, average sales per customer, profit margins, where your business comes from. It's important to ensure you measure results as much as you can. There is a general view in business that if you can measure it, you can change it. So don't be afraid to get the calculator out and look at the results. This may all seem a bit daunting for those of you who are new to business. But the good news is that here at WMS we have a team of experienced professionals who can assist you throughout this process and can also provide you ongoing assistance throughout your total business life cycle.